Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Renee Barnett and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to correct a failed flat twist. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification button so you're notified whenever I create a new video. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a flat twist on my hair today, and I'm going to be using the Taliah Waajid Curly Curl Gello. The container says that it conditions and hydrates. It's made with shea butter, vitamin E. It smooths, conditions, and defines curls. It adds shine with no buildup or frizz. So I should have no buildup and no frizz. So I'm just gonna start by spritzing my hair with a little bit of water that I have in my spray bottle, and then I'm just gonna follow that by adding the Curly Curl Gello to each section of my hair. I'm just gonna be doing a flat twist from the crown of my head downwards, and I'm gonna do that all the way around. So I don't want to saturate the hair, I just want it to be a little wet so that the curls will hold and so that they'll be defined. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of the Curl Gello. And then I'm just going to take my Denman brush and just brush the product through my hair. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and start braiding my hair section by section, and I'm just going to make sure that my braids are very neat so that when I take them loose, they don't get really frizzy. So once I get to the bottom, I'm just going to make sure that my ends are twirled. Okay, so now I'm going to start with the front section of my hair. We're gonna see how this looks. I'm not feeling that great about it. Okay, so after I'm done twisting this last section, I will come back and show you the final results. Okay, so I'm back and my hair is dry. It feels dry. I actually did a combination of letting it air dry. I also used my diffuser. To take it down, I'm going to use a little bit of almond oil just so that it doesn't get tangled. Just put a little almond oil on my hands, on my fingers, and we'll just start right here in the front. See how it looks. My ends didn't really curl that much, but I didn't worry about putting rods in them because I just want to see like how it looks, and hopefully, actually we'll start at the back because I don't want to be disappointed with the front. So let's start in the back because these look really nice back here. All right, so that's not too, looks pretty good. I did get like a little twisted up in the back, like right here. You can see that these two are sort of together. I just have to like really work on my actual twist technique so that my twists come out a little bit more defined, but you know, everybody got hair goals, so these are mine. This isn't too bad. I mean, it's coming out nice. The curls are actually like really soft. They don't feel crunchy. And again, like right here, like these that got tangled with this other twist. So that can sometimes make your hair, or it makes my hair frizzy. So you just have to be really careful. Also make sure, you know, it's probably best if you like let your hair air dry, or I feel like the dryer, when I sit under the dryer, it makes my hair too dry and it takes away the sheen. So far, so good. So also this side of my hair is shorter than this side of my hair because I can't even explain it. Like this side of my hair just got cut a lot more when I was wearing protective styles. So some of my hair is short in different places, so this might look a little crazy. I have one more braid to take down, and then we're going to try and style this hair. I'm going to use some of my style, wait, what is this? Edge booster. Okay guys, so this didn't work out. I don't know if it's the actual product that I use. Could totally be my actual hair, because one side is like definitely not as thick as the other side.
Yeah, so this was kind of a little bit of a fail. A lot of a fail. This was a fail.
Hand ties are always an option when you have a failed hairstyle. I don't think this is gonna work. That section is cute. So I'm gonna try one more thing to salvage this hairstyle. I'm going to try my bungee band that I've actually never worn before. Okay guys, so I totally didn't like it. I tried. I really tried. This is the result of my flat twist. Maybe doing it on dry hair was my downfall. Maybe it was because I used a gel instead of a cream. I don't know. All I know is it didn't work. But I'm determined to master a perfect flat twist. Maybe in another video. Until then, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video. Also, leave me a comment in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.